as a governor. That's all my responsibility.
East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongtanger has directed all in charge of various police stations and outposts to ensure that government vehicles are parked in safe locations, avoiding roadside parking. This directive follows the arson of a government vehicle of the Public Works Department in Umkadait, Nongspin Song early Monday morning. The SP stated that the instruction aims to prevent further incidents of government vehicles being targeted by miscreants. He also requested East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba to advise other government departments to follow the same precautions.
Issue various instructions to all the OC and IC and ensure that all the vehicles should be parked in safe places, especially the government vehicles should not be parked in the roadside. This not, and we have issued instruction that the vehicles should be always parked in the safe places, as to avoid this miscreant to burn down the vehicles. Of course, we have requested DC ma'am also to issue instruction to all the other departments to ensure that the vehicles should be parked in a safe place, especially in the late at night.